Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna show you how I style my square hijab. It's very simple and easy to do. The first style, tied back style. First of all, take your square hijab and make a triangle. Put it on your head and pin it in the middle. Then you take both sides and tie it at the back. You can make it tight or you can make it loose. Here in this video I make it loose because I want to breathe. Okay, so you tidy it a little bit and put it pin in the middle so no one can see your neck. Okay, so tidy up and you're done. Very simple. And then the second style, side bow style. Okay, same style. Same step. Take your square hijab, make a triangle, put it in your head, pin in the middle, and then take one side, bring it to the other side, and then take the second side and tie it with the first side, hence making a bow style. You tied it, make it secure. Yeah, and then you tidy up your hijab and then you're basically done. That's all. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.